seagulls shoot me down last time in Polperro. I was in zoo. Shoot down and put on my shoulder and ate my food. Well, let's do a little recording of this. Oh, like that, look. Got me again. You just skim around. I don't want to skim around today. Yeah, I went around halfway with the Sony and then swap it over. Having a beer rocking his little t-shirt. That up there. What I like about this manual, you just point and shoot. Like a pattern actually. Just a reflection shot of him going through there. Crazy bastard sauce. Probably didn't see that rotating too much. It's a cool building, isn't it? Too close. Alright, on the main square. We'll have a little walk through here. It's full of naval down here. They've got a big naval base over there. Oh.
So, once you've done it, when I came back,
the group are about to start performing Spanish.
Cheers. Friday, 7:30. 21 quid. Try and get that out of the way of the building. Took some photos on. Walking around with that in my hand, though. fair old drop down there. See if we can stitch a shot. Hasn't changed much down here, to be fair. So what I'm going to do is walk straight down there, come back down this road here, and I'm going to get the Ricoh out. Get a nice silhouette of that one up there. I don't know how well it's going to look, but I don't want to streak it. Pelican of London. Yeah, I'm definitely getting the Ricoh out. Takes much better shots. Seagull there. What are these old Tudor buildings or what? Reminds me when we used to learn Tudor in school. A bit dead down here, isn't it? Doing a bit of fishing. Definitely get a good stitch shot of that over there though. Cool patterns, isn't it? Must be where they were fishing over here. Let's see what sort of shot we can stitch. Right, let's get the 5 meters and plus. Should we go portrait? I want to really get this ferry in. About there. Alright.
We're here just a week too early, aren't we?
You're a week early, so I'll be pissing down next week, mate. See if we can get this group of people through the bush. Really? Showing off his fishing skills. They turned all the old phone boxes into defibrillators. £3.20 cost me for 3 hours parking. Like that's cool, isn't it? Yeah, when I went to Polperro, £7 for about fucking an hour. Dartmouth ice cream. Bump the ISO up a little bit on the auto just so oh, I think that's that used to be the famous, sure that's where the famous chef was. Famous chef. I'm sure he owns it.
Is that a famous thing?
I want to create one of my collages down here as well. This gentleman. I get so caught up in cameras and lenses. I don't get the shots I want. Actually, no, I've been down here. But sooner than that, I think I cleaned this place here on the corner where there's a mobile cleaner. I want that. It was here on the corner somewhere. Where was it? All sorts of shit. But for COVID, I won't be doing this, so silver linings and all that. I like that. Over there. What I'm doing is bakery over there. Yeah, I'm gonna this camera in my bag in a minute. I'll get some food and shoot a bit with the Ricoh. This place will look awesome on that Ricoh. Right. 21 quid for that. It's like your daughter playing a banjo. She's just fucking around with it. Food. Oh yeah. Can I have a sauce stroll, please? That's all, thank you.
Only card payments.
Pardon?
You only take card payments.
Only card payments, I can do that. I'll do 120 quid for that. Alright, are we recording? Yeah, 23 minutes. Some free music while I get my sausage up. Looks good. Some seagulls shoot me down last time in Hotel. Oh no, I didn't do. Down, I've got on my shoulder and ate my food. Well, let's do a little recording of this. Oh, like that, look. Got me again. Come. Fuckers. Oh, I'm not seagull aware. Got that one on camera, little fuckers. I had one bite. Fucking one bite. They're ruthless, them seagulls. What's up here? Right, I'm going to sit here and have a cigarette. Have a little cry. Lost some sausage roll again. Right, I'm going to pause it here. I'll be back in 5 minutes. I don't know how many times I say right and Let's get out of here. Let's get some photos of this. So nice, this thing.
You guys want some flyers? Bob's the man to talk to. Susie's talking to him. That's the price one.
I'll have to look on Etsy or something, see if we can get any like CPL filters or little filter caps for this. Such a healthy walk this with a cigarette monster. At least I won't be getting fat anyway.
Sorry, we're going to play something to cheer you up now. How's the song we wrote? We're going to play a bit of Rolling Stones. We've got a concert later, don't we? The Flavel Arts Centre.
Oh, so that's what it's for then.
Flavel.
Concert.
Alright. Flavel. I am from Somerset, I should do it with a Somerset accent, right? Flavel Arts Centre. Okay, this is a song called Paint Black.
perfect for the colours, but it's on my Ricoh and not the Sony, but I can make it work. Seagulls is just like rats down here. Picture quality is amazing. Alright. Oh, sausage roll was nice as well. Pissed me off, that did. I think I'd learned my lesson from the last time. See you on that dog.
यार वॉशरूम हो लो आगे नहीं मिलेगा
कौन गया
नहीं गोद वाली वो बेंच पे बैठ आगे नहीं मिलेगा बच्चों से पूछ लो
Crossover. Stuff like that. Perfect. And colours. Just like collecting bits up. When you look at the colours, you'll know where I am. I'll stitch one with this as well, see what the stitch shots come out like. They should look good. Bit out the main way here. See when the water's in, tide's on its way in as well. I'll keep walking. That'd be cool for that. Yeah, I'm not sure it's worth looking at, but when you put them all together in a collar, it brings it all together. See what we can get with this ferry, so we can use those frames as a bit of a frame. It's got image stabilisation, but it seems to have the little handshake icon. I've done some labouring over here on this site where Zephyr is. I'm sure I did. Memory's terrible. Let's go with this what kind of wood cars. shit. Dartmouth. Yeah, I'm gonna head towards town again, I think. Have one more. Have one more ride here around, shall we? Different one, shall we? Walk through here, can we get a shot of those kayaks. Coronation Dinghy Park. Awesome colour. Get a bit closer. Very surprised if he's that's not too bad. See, I like this red one. That's 4 kayaks per stack. Better rent them out and jump in the water. Fuck, I went in a kayak once and it's been capsized. But I think I'm going to start a little series with these because they're not really long enough to be a full outing type video. I'm just making like a little daily photo walks and shit like that. I'll just get out and take photos and job done. Nah, I don't want to walk on the grass. I'm trying to shoot more people. I don't get enough humans in my work. I'm going to cross over here. That's why I like the manual lens, it's a point shoot. But the other one, wait for the autofocus to kick in. See some photographers are out all day. I just can't be asked to do that. Just walk one way, look that way, walk the other way, look the opposite way. Bit far out, that one. like this shade though. I'm gonna get the magnetic clip for this OSMO because these chest straps look wearing me Mrs. Brown. Having my titties cut all day. Well, at least we've got that seagull robbing me sausage roll on camera. Headphones in me. Put this in the bin. I don't think I'll go back to GoPro after using this. I only got the OSMO 4 as well, there's 5 and 6 out now, but from the YouTube videos I watched there wasn't much difference to justify the massive price increase. I only use it to do this shit. I ain't doing no vlogging and shit like that. Just stick it on my chest and record the walk. But it shoots 10-bit RAW. Take photos. Oh, there's all sorts of little gadgets on it. I tried the horizon balance yesterday, but that's more for like mountain biking and stuff. I don't know about that capture, it broken work completely. Oh, that's not too bad. Nothing worth raving about. I'm gonna I want to get the other camera up, but I'm trying to resist the urge. I use it all the time. It's packed down here in the hard summer. Oh, I got heartburn off that one bite. Seagulls, man. Just to give you all a little laugh. I'll use that as the thumbnail as well. Get driver. Don't know how well this just points and shoots. A bit shaky. My eyes are so big. Rats. Birds. I don't know what's going down this dead end again. Stroll. I like the colours of it. Back in again to the sausage roll. I don't really want to explain. But I'm not a fat bastard. Seagull robbed it. Gift shop. £17 for a couple of slices of fudge. Things for buildings as well. It's nice, isn't it? Lovely. Probably should have took it from. I do like that bus on the other side there. Back here again. Get this floor outside. I ain't walked down there yet, have I? Yeah, I have. Daughter asking for money. They all send the nicest text when they want money, don't they? Okay, Dad, I love you lots. Grab a tenner. Palladium Arcade. I like the shot though. Better through my eye than what I did on the camera. Get another cigarette down my throat, have another little look around and then drop the gun in. I bet we're parked over there somewhere. bird on top. The fuckers make me sausage out. I like these trees though. I love the sound this makes. Copper beech tree. Gotta frame it in that tree if I can get the smoke out of the way. Parked over here, there's the toilets. I've covered everything I wanted to cover. So I think what I'll do is get back, edit the video, get him up. You see what I mean now by flybys. Might be the ADHD, it might not be, but I can't stay in one place for longer than 2 hours. 2 hours, I'm done. Move me on. Right, anyway, I'm back at the car, so peace.